Hello, traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Fix Up EA for MT4. It's an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting here on the product page, we can see that this is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Alena Frolova. The EA is currently priced at 99 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 50 US dollars. The version shown here is 1.71, which was updated on November 6th, 2018. Looking through the description, the developer explains that the EA is based on a channel breakout pattern. According to the product page, this pattern was identified through long-term spectral analysis of price behavior and has been developed over a period of approximately 20 years. All right, the EA is designed to trade several currency pairs, including Euro USD, Euro GBP, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, and USD CHF. The recommended working time frame is the 30 minutes chart, while also taking into account information from the 60 minutes and daily time frames. Now, another point highlighted by the developer is that the system does not use scalping, martingale, or grid-based strategies. The description also states that there is always only one trade active in the market at a time, which gives us a clearer understanding of how positions are managed. Moving into the settings section, the first parameter allows traders to select the currency pair configuration directly within the EA. The developer notes that the default setup is designed for Euro USD. All right, and switching to another supported pair only requires changing the pair selection parameter without needing additional set files. The EA also includes options for fixed lot sizing or dynamic lot sizing through a risk percentage setting. This gives traders flexibility in determining how position sizes are calculated based on their own preferences and account management approach. Now, for trade protection, there are configurable stop loss and take profit values, along with a built-in mechanism for virtual stop loss and take profit management. The settings also include a channel level parameter designed to provide protection against scalping conditions, according to the developer's description. Additional controls include slippage settings, trailing stop functionality, trailing stop activation distance, trailing stop distance, and an option called close signal. All right, which allows positions to be closed when a return signal occurs. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results, it is important to remember that we are evaluating historical analysis rather than future performance. Okay, backtesting allows us to see how the EA behaved under previous market conditions, but future results may differ. So from what I can see here, this balance curve looks pretty interesting. It was kind of steady, a very gradual growth before at some point the growth picked up pace, and well, overall it's been rising over time. And then here, initial deposit is $1,000, total net profit 87,311.29. The largest profit we have here is 1,673.82, while the largest loss is 1,119.74. I can see that 745 trades were taken, out of which 561 were profitable. That gave us a 75.3% win rate. All right, let's head over to our strategy tester right now. Let's see how the Fix Up EA performed on Euro USD on the M30 time frame as recommended. Right, so I'm using the every tick modeling and I'm testing the EA over the past 3 months, 20th March to 20th June 2026. So from the report here, the initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit was $181.3. Total trades taken were just 3. out of which 2 were profitable. That gave us a 66.67% win rate. But 3 trades are very insufficient, to conclude on the win rates, right? Just only 3 trades, not enough. Largest profit here is $204. Largest loss $213.2. Average profit $197.25, and the average loss is $213.2. Okay, so I'm going to recommend running this EA over a longer period of time if you're actually interested in it, okay? Because 3 months is really not enough to make a conclusion on the EA. But from what I can see here, the risk to reward ratio seems pretty bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. But let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see this EA in action. All right, looking at the chart history, the trading activity should reflect the breakout based approach described on the product page. Since the EA is designed around channel breakouts and maintains only a single active position at a time, the historical trade placement and position management can be reviewed in that context. When examining completed trades, it is also useful to observe how stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and return signal exits may have influenced the outcome of positions throughout the testing period. All right, these elements can significantly affect overall historical performance depending on the selected settings. All right, so I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing across multiple supported currency pairs and different periods of market activity can provide a broader evaluation of its historical behavior. Looking at the final historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Fix Up EA for MT4 presents a channel breakout approach with predefined currency pair configurations, built-in trade management tools, and a focus on maintaining a single active position at a time. All right. So as always, perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. It's very important. So if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. If you've also made use of this EA before, feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.